Oh, you look pretty.
That's always.
Pleased to have rookie driver Mitch Sutherland. Mitch, how bad is your first year in Stampede? Is it everything you thought it would be?
Yes, here's whatever you want. Is trying to imagine what it'd be like to drive for the first time. Succeeded.
Now you burn. You don't like it. So this Stampede is polluted with Sutherlands. There's 4 of you here now. How have you done in comparison to your dad and your uncle and your cousin?
Well, they weren't so running.
So why is there a rose in your hand?
Because you give it to me, looking for you.
What?
You give the rose, looking for you. You know?
Not scary now. Oh my God,
You're lying.
I don't lie. I'm talking the truth. Come on. Then you give me this rose to hold for you. Be honest. Be honest.
Why would I give you the rose when I have a camera in my hand?
Because you are
I could have given you the camera.
Well, you decide to give me the rose to hold for you. How could I know why? Yeah, let you take that. Okay, let's go to the... Let's go there by the...
Tumugawa ko tayo. May maintenance na lang kasi ang pasen. Asa ka sa pasen sa ano niya. Init ko yan.
Eager. That will John have one.
Turay naman magbangin. Isla kami na kumasaman. Kaya kami mag-persecution sa mami.
Venice and Edmonton, right?
We might see him.
Welcome.
Yeah.
Like that, happy we are going to Edmonton. Well, as I say, I don't have this. Let's go by the drawing and see. 2014 already. We haven't yet finished.
Let's go, Alex.
Look, there is a washroom here if you want to go pee.
It almost at head.
After I went to that washroom, yeah.
I already used it. Oh, yeah. Drink matcha. Let's go a little bit then. Open TV. For people to visit.
Is a music tent? No, the music is coming from outside. You might want to come to see from outside the music. Let's go, Alex. Alex. You find the stick, but it's not yours. You need to let the stick, Alex. No, not like this. Do not throw the stick, Alex. Sorry. Mommy, do not throw the stick.
you, thank you. And we'll see you next year. And let's give a big hand to the drummers, especially Peggy Ryder in the green shirt there. This guy's been going at it for 10 straight days. Thank you, thank you.
Indian village. Another set is in
Good. That's not it there, is it? When är kvar allt då, känner jag minst?
Try not to figure that right now.
Yeah, that washroom, right?
Yeah.
Where are you going?
Oh, from here.
It's been a part of the Calgary Stampede since the very beginning. Here at Indian Village, presented by Penn West Exploration, you'll experience the fascinating culture of the Treaty 7 First Nations people in a beautiful park-like setting. Watch traditional native dancing, hand games, teepee raising contests, and more. Visit Indian Village at the south end of Stampede Park.
Now, stop.